Oh, fuck. My bad. Yeah. Kira. Yan, videoan to ba? Okay, so we are officially starting our journey. So we need to drop a coin here para sa ritual. Let's go. And it's kind of morning na dito. Wow, look at the view. Wow. What the fuck? This is so majestic, bro. Ay, nagabuha din. Ano to? Is this a rice field? Wow. Guys, look at this. Look at the view here. Bababa na kami dito sa, I don't know, 500 meters na pababa daw dito eh. So I think I gotta watch my step kasi umulan kagabi dito. So napaka dulas ng daan dito, guys. Like for real. Wow. Yep, but yeah, meron namang human-made na steps dito. So it's kinda easy lang din. Oh. Wow. Look at this, guys. Tingnan natin. Susundan lang natin yung attack team natin. Punta tayo dito. Wow! Guys, look at this. Just look at the view. Wow. Wow. Oh. Ay guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Like very relaxing yung view. And you can even hear the water flowing down. Wow. Let's go. Magti-trail run tayo. Like very quick trail run. And ayan, punta na tayo sa dance ni jungle. Eto. Grabe ka dance. Okay, joke lang. Oh, exaggerate. Tayo natin yung and ito, handmade na bridge. Ay! Wow! What the fuck? Wow! Kawayan lang, guys. Grabe, kawayan lang oh. Yan, nagliyok. Natay. Okay, I mean, that's good. Let's let the kids.
Pakilid yung dapat pa.
Kilid na dapat, kilid. Then, slide on the cell. We gotta careful. We gotta be very, very careful. Woo! Yan, slide na nga tayo guys. Oh! Huh. Guys, look at the river. Huh. Yung river, guys. Woo! Look! Let's go. So, grabing uphill dito. Like, continuous uphill. Walang patag. Let's go. Going na kami doon sa likod ng bundok. Babalik ulit kami dito mamaya. And yeah, as you can see, masyadong patag dito. Wow, man, look at these guys. Wow. Tahan na. Ganda par. Hey guys. We're going on a hike. Ayan, pupunta kami dito sa where? Sa Pamahaw Bridge. Sa Pamahaw Bridge. Ay, Ridge. Mamahaw na rin to.
Ano, dahil kagkuhan mong kiwarag.
Uy.
Kuha man yung DM eh.
Wow!
Ano, dahil masigsa ka sa ito man.
Wow! So, na mo na yung ridge? Ah, di ba day? Guys! Asa naman itong kauban? Wow! Guys, nandito tayo sa opening. Meron tong clouds, oh. Look at that. Wow! Shit is so cool. Gago.
Mushroom hunting.
Woo! Guys, I am with the attack team. Oh? May attack team guys. Ano pinakauna. And we're exploring the vast wilderness. Like, guys, look at the vegetation, guys. Katula, oy! Ow! Guys, we're exploring the wilderness. I mean, yeah, hindi ako naka long sleeve, so it will probably be itchy later on. And saan na ba to? Are we in the ridge na ba?
Ay, gusto mo. Joke lang.
Wow. Guys, look at this.
Vlog siya.
Wala eh. Kuhan lang. Live documentation.
Pero ginapost yun.
Wala po. TikTok lang. Baka may viewers. Wow. Yes, with the attack team. We are the attack team 1. Uy. Meron tayong provocation dito. Ayan. So we are composed of 3 teams. The attack team, the middle team, and the last team. Ayan. We are segmented 3 types. We're almost on the top. And later on, magpapalipad tayo ng drone. Let's go. Wow.
Hindi na.
Naya.
Ay. Morning po. Hey guys, papunta na kami sa Ridge. And time check, it's 7:10. Yeah. So 2 hours, exact 2 hours na kami nag-hike dito. So we arrive at 5 with the orientation. Yan, exact 2 hours kami nag-hike. But we're almost at the top already. So nagre-route lang kami na kasi medyo crowded yung places dun. Sa pinakaunang ridge. I mean, ridge ba tawag dun? Yan. So dun kami pupunta. Somewhere there. Then, reroute ulit pababa. I mean, look at the view here. Very relaxing. Paganda yung view. Very worth it. And even though mainit siya, pero malamig yung hangin. I like the air. Yep. Ayan. We're at the first peak. And Saturday morning. Ay, hindi pala pala. Bilakog na nami. Kabaday. We are almost at the top. Nakikita na namin yung signage. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Finally, na-reach na natin. Yung pa kami nakaka-reach. Let's go.
Ma'am, sunod.
Narapatay kang kuanda ito kung Liza.
What the fuck? We're here. Let's go.